All rise.
Oh, you didn't know, did you? Judge Henson had to recuse herself last minute.
Why wasn't I informed?
Well, they called my guy. They were supposed to call you. Oh, God, that's right. I had to hold your calls.
Be seated.
Mr. Manning, you've asked the court to revisit the custody arrangements for your children. I've only just been given the case file.
In which case, Your Honor, may I suggest that we reconvene at a later date?
That won't be necessary, Ms. Delgado. I'm up to speed, but thank you for your concern. Now, Mr. Guthrie, let's hear it. Why should Mr. Manning be given custody of his children?
Well, Your Honor, the circumstances surrounding this case
Yes.
drastically changed.
Yes, they have. The guy who was awarded custody has been arrested as a serial killer.
Dancer? Is that the dancer? Is that the cat there? Is that the one that says meow there?
No, that's a cat.
It is the one. I thought that was the one. Any luck?
I made my point.
So you're going to go to the hearing?
It's a closed hearing. So I just think that I'll spend some time with the boys and with you. Objection. Your Honor, the state has not proved that John McBain is a serial killer.
That's what all the papers are saying.
The paper you publish? What a shock.
He's been accused of 3 murders, Your Honor, not to mention attacking my kid's mother.
You've been on trial twice for equally heinous crimes.
And found innocent, Your Honor.
Okay. Your Honor, I love my children very much.
Love? What do you know about love, Mr. Manning? Your children hadn't seen you from May of 2008 to January of 2009.
Yes, that's true. Whose fault is that?
Yours? Oh, no, that's right, because nothing is ever your fault, is it,
What's your
Todd?
fault is that a serial killer has custody of my children. Your Honor, this woman arranged a bogus marriage between John McBain and
No.
his wife.
Ms. Kramer and
For the
Mr.
sole
McBain had a
purpose of
long
taking
relationship
custody away
before their
from
marriage.
me.
And the fact that you were responsible for your pregnant daughter falling down a flight of stairs, the fact that you involved your toddler in an automobile accident while he was in the front seat of your car, not in a car seat. Oh, that didn't prove you unfit and lose you custody. No, it's never your fault. It was that Blair married another man. It's never your fault, is it, Todd?
Ms. Delgado?
Yes.
We are here to settle custody. Keep your personal issues out of my courtroom. It's clear to me that Mr. Manning, while far from an ideal parent, has a valid argument.
So does my client, who is unable to be here today.
Or to care for her 3 children, is that correct?
Temporarily, which is why her aunt and her mother have agreed to care for the children.
I've read the transcript from the previous hearing. Blair Kramer's mother was only recently released from a long stay in a mental institution.
Yes, but she is fully recovered,
And the
Your Honor.
aunt is Dorian Lord, whose history is as checkered as Mr. Manning's. Now, you've met the criteria that the court laid out last year, Mr. Manning.
Oh, yes, you mean the anger management and the therapy, yes.
How was all that?
Well, I learned quite a bit about myself. I'm a passionate man, and I've had to really learn to control my impulses.
Your Honor, if I may,
No, you may not. Now,
Okay.
my predecessor decided in favor of your client because of the stabilizing presence of her husband, John McBain. Now, whether Mr. McBain is guilty is moot. He's fled the jurisdiction, which gives me no choice but to grant temporary custody of the Manning children to their father, Todd Manning.
All rise.
Just sleep with the judge, too?
Oh, wouldn't you like to know? Should have taken the deal, Delgado.
You know, a part of me wants to just grab those kids, jump in the car, and make a run for it.
I understand, but I know you know that would not be in their best interest.
But what if Todd wins custody of them?
Then you will do everything in your power to win them back.
How do you know that?
Because you and me are 2 of a kind. When it comes to those we love, we will fight till the cows come home.
Dorian. Oh, Taya, you better have good news for me.
Sorry, Dorian.
Dad, I knew you'd come.
You want to tell her, or shall I?
I'm so sorry, Dorian. No. There was nothing I could do with John being arrested and then
You
breaking
stand
out
a
of
chance.
prison.
Sam, it's time to come to Daddy. Let's go.
You harm these children, and I will destroy you.
Yeah, right. I'm shaking. Are you shaking, Jay?
Aunt Dorian? Dorian, what is going on?
I got custody, Starr. It's time to pack up and move out.
We're gonna be family again.